and welcome to Lou Designs. My name is Lou, and in this channel I share easy to follow tips, tutorials, and resources about websites, funnels, graphic design, branding, and more. So if you love those topics, be sure to subscribe. So for today's video, I'm gonna share with you 10 things coaches should or must know before buying or subscribing or switching to Kajabi. So I'm a Kajabi vetted expert and I've been using Kajabi for more than 6 years. I can highly recommend Kajabi, but it's pretty much pricey compared with other platforms. That's why I decided to create this video, because I know that this is a big leap or a big decision if you're a coach or a course creator who wanted to switch to Kajabi. After watching this video and you want to give Kajabi a try, you can check out the link in the description of this video for the 30-day free trial of the platform. So without further ado, here are 10 things coaches should know before buying Kajabi. Kajabi is an all-in-one platform. When you log into your Kajabi account, this is what you'll see, the dashboard. The user interface is pretty straightforward. That's what I love with Kajabi. It's sophisticated, it's clean, it's simple. You can host your courses here, your coaching, you can create your community, podcasts, newsletters, and downloads. This is the new feature of Kajabi. When you want to sell digital products such as ebook, guide, templates, you can create your downloads here as well. You can create offers, so you can have like different offers for one course or different offers for your coaching. You can have like a one-time payment, monthly installments. You can set all that up here. Plus, they have a cart now. You can also set up affiliate commission here. So this is the overview, commission setup, the share links, and then your affiliates, transactions, everything to manage your affiliate. You can design and create your Kajabi website. No need to like subscribe to other website building platform. You can pick a template if you're not design savvy. So Kajabi already have different templates here that you can just plug and play and edit. Also landing pages. You can create your branded app with Kajabi. So this is perfect if you have like a membership. You can find that here. For your marketing, you can also have your email campaigns here, your funnels, automations, events, and you can create your custom form. So everything is in one place. Number 2, pricing is premium. While Kajabi is a bit pricey compared to other platforms, so the Kickstarter plan is $71 a month, but this is billed annually. So if choose monthly, it's $89 a month. Basic is $143 a month. So you can find all the inclusions here. That's 5 products. So products are courses, could be courses, downloads, coaching, up to 5 contacts, 1 website, 1 community. You can find all of that here, kajabi.com/pricing. So this is the most popular. It's $199 a month if billed annually. So if monthly, it's $249 a month. It has this new additional features, the comment to DM, cohort courses. So a Kajabi cohort course is a structured online learning experience where a group of students progresses through the course material together on a predetermined schedule, fostering accountability, community, and deeper learning compared to the traditional self-paced course. So this is perfect for procrastinators like me. The Pro subscription. So this one, I think the best part of this is as custom code editor, branded mobile app. Actually, if you're selling high-ticket courses or coaching programs, this is not really that expensive. Paying for consolidation of tools plus ease of use, because if you add it up or if you sum it up, actually, it's like the price of different platforms in one. Number 3, limited design flexibility. So templates are clean and functional, but customization is not as free-form as WordPress with Elementor or Showit. or Squarespace or other website building platform or even landing page builders. Compared to other landing page builders, customization of this is more limited, but you'll have an option to add custom CSS here, custom code. So you can add a custom CSS here. So for example, you want to add a gradient, underline, and a specific words. You can add a custom code here. Number 4, marketing automations are powerful but have limits. So in Kajabi, we have built-in like pipelines or funnels. So let's say you want to create a lead magnet or freebie funnel. You can select from one of the templates. Let's name it demo, create funnel. So it already creates an opt-in page, and then you can customize it by clicking that. Customize the design. You can add automations here. So when form is submitted to demo form, it can subscribe to an email sequence. Demo email sequence. This is the form here. And you can add more automations here. Then here, they have like built-in the email sequences. You can add your own here. The ease of use is fantastic. And a thank you page. Number 5, no transaction fees. So you keep 100% of your sales. This is an all-in-one platform with transparent pricing, no hidden fees, no revenue sharing. Aside from Stripe or PayPal fees or other payment processing fees. So if you want straightforward, transparent pricing, Kajabi is for you. Number 6, website hosting is included. So you don't need separate hosting like SiteGround or Bluehost. But of course, your site is limited to Kajabi's ecosystem, less control compared to WordPress or other website building platform. But you can easily manage your site details here in the settings. And if you have custom domain, you can easily set that up using domain settings here. It's easy to set up. Number 7, the community feature. Community feature makes it easy to deliver recurring programs. It's not as robust as Circle, Mighty Networks, or Facebook groups for community interaction, but to me, personally, I love the exclusivity of it. Like, I really find Facebook groups oversaturated. That's my personal point here. That's my personal take. Like when I enroll in a course, I want to have like a place where I can interact with my like classmates or my fellow mentee, with my coach, without like going into different platforms. Like having a Kajabi community included in this community is like a VIP treatment for your students. So if you want that, then you can include this in your offer. Like if they purchase a course or a coaching program, you can add this in your offer. Number 8, migration can be time consuming. If you already have courses or members on another platform, moving or migrating into Kajabi might take up much of your time. Actually, you can outsource migration to a VA or to other Kajabi experts. Number 9, customer support and training are solid. 24/7 support is available. And you can find a lot of resources from the Kajabi University, Kajabi community, or you can even hire Kajabi expert like me and go to expert directory. You can find a lot of experts here. Let's find. Yes. So if you want to hire an expert like Blue Designs, simply go to filter experts, click search Blue Designs, click me, and you can chat about your project. Finally, number 10, it's a long-term commitment. Well, since Kajabi is an all-in-one platform, you pretty much get used to it. Like everything will be there, like your funnels, your websites, your email campaigns, marketing, etc. All will be there. So it's pretty hard to like transfer it later on. Think about your coaching vision for 1 to 3 years. And if you feel like you can sustain Kajabi, then perfect. before committing. And that's it! I hope you love this video. I hope you find this helpful. If you're a coach or you know someone who is a coach who is considering or don't have an idea what platform to choose for their funnels, for their websites, for email marketing, if they want an all-in-one platform, check out the description of this video for the 30-day free trial of Kajabi. Thank you and see you on the next one.